Hey foodies! If you love snacks and you're planning a trip to Tokyo, you're in for a treat. Literally. Convenience stores in Japan are like snack heaven, and today, I'm diving into the best must-try snacks you absolutely can't miss. Let's go! First up, we've got onigiri. These rice balls are a staple in Japanese convenience stores. Wrapped in seaweed and filled with all kinds of deliciousness, they come in flavors like tuna mayo, salmon, and even pickled plum. And the best part? They're only about $1.50 each. Next, check out the carriage, which are bite-sized pieces of fried chicken. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and seasoned to perfection. You can grab a pack for around $2. Trust me, these are perfect for a quick snack or even a light meal. Moving on to something sweet, you've got to try the melon pan. This fluffy, sweet bread has a crispy, cookie-like top that's to die for. It's no wonder why it's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. And it's only $1.20. Now, for something a bit more unique, there's the tamago sando. This is a soft, fluffy egg sandwich that's incredibly popular in Japan. Made with creamy egg salad sandwiched between two slices of soft bread, it's simple, but oh so delicious. Pick one up for around $2. For those of you with a sweet tooth, don't miss out on Pocky. These chocolate-covered biscuit sticks come in a variety of flavors like strawberry, matcha, and even cookies and cream. They're a fun snack to munch on and typically cost about $1.50 per pack. If you're feeling adventurous, grab a pack of wasabi peas. These crunchy, spicy peas are a great way to add some kick to your snack game. At just $1 per pack, they're a bargain for some bold flavor. Lastly, don't forget to try some Japanese ice cream. Brands like Haagen-Dazs and Meiji offer unique flavors you won't find anywhere else, like green tea and black sesame. They're a bit pricier, around $3 each, but totally worth it. So there you have it. The top Tokyo convenience store snacks you can't miss. Whether you're looking for something savory, sweet, or a bit of both, you'll find plenty to satisfy your cravings. Happy snacking! And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. See you next time. Remember, these are just a few of the countless options available. Tokyo's convenience stores are packed with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From savory delights to sweet treats, there's always something new to try. So make sure to explore and find your own favorites. And don't forget to share your snack discoveries with friends and family. It's a great way to bond and enjoy the flavors of Tokyo together. Snap some photos and share your snack adventures on social media. Who knows, you might inspire someone else to try these delicious treats. So grab a map, plan your snack stops, and get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. Tokyo's convenience stores are waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this snack journey. Until next time, happy snacking and safe travels.